Hi, and welcome to this channel, a new video with Python. This video will be quick tip with Python and to teach how variables inside a function are separate from variables outside. So we're gonna first make a new file. Let's name it variable.py. Press enter. Let's reload Git and open the file. So we want first to make one global variable. Let's say name it global variables, and let's give it some number. Let's say 100. And then we want to define a function, a number, let's say, and we want to give it value. Let's name this one actually value, just to show how it's different. Doesn't matter that it's the same name. Let's give it 200. So let's return it x. You can see x plus value, and let's print it. Let's give it some value. Let's say again 300. Let's save it. Let's open terminal and let's run the code. Python 3 and name variable.py. As we can see, we have 500. 200 times 300, 500. So this one, as you can see, this global variable, that is value, same variable name, value, but it doesn't matter because this is global one. This is a local one. So if we print, let's say like this, let's print global value, save it, open terminal, let's run the code. You can see this global one stays the same, not changed, even if these two are having the same name. So this was just quick tip with Python, how to define global variables and local variables. Thank you for checking this video and see you next time. Bye bye.